Hi everyone, welcome to Koala Wallet. We're happy to see you here. This video will teach you how to get a brand new wallet up and running. To start making the wallet your own, you can tap the rotating languages to change the app to your preferred language. We're ready to start creating our new wallet, so let's get started. Koala Wallet is a super secure wallet that brings the Kadena ecosystem to your pocket. If you've never used Koala Wallet before, press Create. Koala Wallet is non-custodial. It's important to know that since you have full custody power over your assets, you're also responsible for their safekeeping. Read the warnings, tap the checkbox of each one that you accept, and press Confirm to proceed. Set a numeric PIN to protect your wallet from unauthorized physical access. Choose a memorable PIN that's hard for others to guess. After entering the PIN once, repeat it one more time to be sure that you memorized it. Finally, for greater convenience, you can enable biometric authentication like fingerprint or facial recognition. If you choose to enable it, remember that your PIN may still be required in certain scenarios. And that's all you need for a fully private, fully secure, and non-custodial blockchain experience. Welcome to your Koala Wallet. Feel free to check out our channel for other video tutorials and have a great day.